Question number 10. The kinetic energy in joules of an object with mass 9 kilograms traveling at a speed of v meters per second is given by the function k, where k of v is equal to 9 by 2 v square. So which of the following is the best interpretation of k of 34 is equal to 5202 in this context? So what is given? It is given that kinetic energy in joules of an object with a mass of 9 kilograms traveling at a speed of v meters per second is given by this function. K of v is equal to 9 by 2 v square. So it follows that in the equation. So if k of v is that, what is k of 34? K of 34, if you calculate, it has already been calculated and they have said that it is 5202. So 34 is the value of v, or the speed of the object in meters per second, and 5202 is the kinetic energy in joules of the object at that speed. Therefore, the best interpretation of k of 34 is equal to 5202 in this context is A. A says the object traveling at 34 meters per second has a kinetic energy of 5202 joules. And why is B incorrect? Because this one says the object traveling at 340 meters per second has a kinetic energy of 5202 joules. So the object traveling at 340 meters per second will have, if you calculate the kinetic energy, 520,200 joules. So the input itself has changed. So output will be v squared. So we'll get a bigger number. Okay. So that is not correct. And C says the object traveling at 5202 meters per second has a kinetic energy of 34 joules. This is incorrect because the object traveling at 5202 meters per second will have a kinetic energy of, here the input will become 5202. So the output will become 121,773,618. If you take this as the input and put it in the place of v and calculate, we'll get 121,773,618 joules actually. So all this is changing the input itself. And D is incorrect. If the object is traveling at 23,409 meters per second, the kinetic energy, if you put it in the calculator, you will get 2,465,915,764.5 joules. That means 2,465,915,764.5 joules this will be. So all the others B, C and D, the input is much larger. Here the input and output. Input is 34 only and output is 5202. Already that is given. All the others you can see B, C and D, the input itself has been changed. For B input is 340, for C input is 5202 and for D input is 23,409. So, and corresponding output, when we calculate using that given function, we are getting other answers. So you can put it in the calculator and check as well.